Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's my pleasure to introduce you to Helping Hands International.
Helping hands, helping hands, helping hands. That's what we live for. Help you to help others. Helping hands, help you to help others. Helping hands. It's not enough to have lived. We are determined to live for something. It could be creating joy for others, making this world a better place. Helping hands, helping hands, helping hands. That's what we live for. Help you to help others. Helping hands, help you to help others. Helping hands, helping hands, helping hands, helping hands. We believe in helping people, helping the needy in the handicapped to live a better lifestyle, making this life more meaningful. Helping hands, helping hands, helping hands. That's what we live for. Help you to help others. Helping hands, help you to help others. Helping hands, helping hands, helping hands, helping hands. We promote academic excellence. We care for the less privileged. Our unbeatable.
Network marketing, I saw a business program with the power of spill over and spill under, capable of rewarding you beyond your widest imagination. When Obitex was speaking, did you hear him when he said, when you move front, money. When you come backwards, money. When you come to the center, money. When you go sideways, are here for the first time. What was his business? Jesus' business was word of mouth. Am I correct? They say he gathered how many people? 12. And he trained the 12. When he sent them out, they came back with 70 something. Am I correct? That 70 something, he trained them again and into 2 and sent them out. By the time they came back, the report they were bringing to the master was that they baptized over 3,000 people. What is their business? Network marketing. It's a form of business where you refer somebody to something. And I told that woman that network marketing is older than you, because I know that she has not been born 1940. My mother told me that she was born 1949, and I know my mother is very much older than her. So please, in network marketing, you create a residual form of income. There are 3 kinds of richest people in the world. In fact, richest people in the world are in 3 groups. The first group of richest people are musicians and songwriters. Are we listening? The second group of richest people in the world are sportsmen and women. If you see where they live, you'll be surprised. When I was a little child, my father used to flog me for playing football. But these days, most parents are even begging their children to play football. These people are very, very rich. Do you agree with that? Then the third group of richest people are network marketers, because they create residual income. What is residual income? Residual income is a form of money that continues trickling into your pocket long after the job has been done. Are we together? Michael Jackson was a musician. Am I correct? And he has died some years back. But his music is still selling. True or false? That money continues to trickle into the pocket of that family as a royalty. That is network marketing. He has created a residual form of income. So when you hear the word network marketing, do not carry at the back of your mind hungry people walking down the street looking for somebody to sell tea to, looking for some networkers are already doing meshai. When I was talking to somebody about this business, he told me, is it not all this business like GNLD, Tianchi, and this and that? He was actually painting a picture of tattered and hungry people walking down the street looking for somebody to convince to buy their product. No, these are just companies in the industry. The industry is a very big, colossal industry. Are we together? So when you hear network marketing, don't carry that at the back of your mind. When you also hear network marketing, remove end time business, mark of the wild beast, 666 from your mind. It's a function of when you came to know a particular kind of business. Now that you have gotten a background of what Helping Hand is, of what network marketing is, we shall go straight into the business of Helping Hands. Take it easy, obedience. Okay. Helping Hand says, as a humanitarian organization, they cannot come to the streets of Nigeria and be throwing money in the name of helping the less privileged. They want you to be their associates. Are we together? Now, Helping Hands is inviting me and you to become their associates, so that through you, Helping Hands will render humanitarian services to the less privileged. If you are an associate of Helping Hands, you become the eye of Helping Hands to the less privileged in the society. For you to become a member of Helping Hands, you will get registered. For Helping Hands to recognize you, you will get registered. When you get registered, you become an associate of Helping Hands. Are you happy to hear that? Now you are going to identify yourself with a giant organization, a very big organization that has designed a business plan that will take you from where you are now to where you should be. So join me and let us tell you what the business plan of Helping Hands looks like. Obitex, bring it up. Okay. To get registered as a member of Helping Hands, bring it up. As a member of Helping Hands, you will get registered with $40. $40 in our Naira is equivalent to 6,600 Naira. Did we hear that? 6,600 Naira. There are lots of benefits you get from Helping Hands. The benefits are summarized into what you are seeing here now. You get what we call referral bonus. You also get what we call matrix bonus. We shall explain all that. You also get what we call matching bonus, 10% and 5%. You also get child education fund, interest-free loan, brand new cars, small car and executive gym, and then all expenses paid trip abroad, housing fund, year infinity bonus. Helping Hands pays you $5,000 every year for saying thank you for being part of this program. We have global profit pool, residual income for life paid yearly, plus brand new iPad or laptop for all members. This is a summary of the benefits you receive if you become a member of Helping Hands. Now, Helping Hands has about 5 stages in their business. Obitex. Helping Hands has 5 stages in their business. Now that you are a member of Helping Hands, the first stage you occupy is called the associate. It's called what? The associate is a 2x2 matrix. The second stage you occupy is called the master. The master is a 2x5 matrix. The third stage you occupy is called the super master. It's another 2x5 matrix. Then the fourth stage you occupy is called the minister. It's another 2x5 matrix. And finally, the last stage you occupy in Helping Hands is called the prime minister. 5 stages of business. Now let me tell you something about these stages. If you move from associate, okay, in associate, you make about $26, and then you enter the master. In the master stage, you make $1,000 plus a brand new iPad, courtesy Apple, California, United States of America. In fact, I went to Obitex's house and his wife showed me a picture of what it looks like. I tell you, she sneaked in and brought it out. I have not seen, in fact, it's simply smashing. Very beautiful. It's like all the Apple iPad they sell in this country, it be like saying a fake, because we've not seen it. It be like saying a fake. If you search online, it's like Apple does not even have a representative in Nigeria. In fact, this is different. At stage 2, this celebration you are seeing now is happening just at this stage. Are we together? Now at stage 3, you know what happens at stage 3? At stage 3, you are celebrated because you are driving home with a brand new Hyundai saloon car worth over $15,000. These beautiful men, handsome men, and beautiful women you are seeing here today, they are warming up for their own brand new cars because they've all entered this stage in just a month and some fraction. This is the first time I see a business opportunity that also applies the psychological aspect of human life. That just at the third stage of this business, my people, you are driving home with a brand new Hyundai saloon car. Hi. And in addition to that, you have $3,000 in your pocket. And then at this stage of Supermaster, you are qualified to recommend 2 people for Helping Hands to empower. And that is exactly what he was telling you about their services. Are we together? When you get to the first stage, you are making $6,000 in your pocket and you are driving home with the second car, a brand new Hyundai Jeep iX35, worth about $27,000. This is beautiful, very beautiful. Then, the last stage is called the Prime Minister. At the Prime Minister, you receive $40,000 housing fund, and you make $12,000 already in the matrix in your pocket. You receive an international trip, children education fund, $2,000, infinity bonus, $5,000, membership, airline membership loan. You can collect loan up to $44,000 in Helping Hands. In fact, I forgot to tell you that even at stage 4, where you have carried the brand new Jeep in stage 4, you are entitled every year. You will provide us with 1 motherless baby home for empowerment. Imagine the people you are seeing here, by the time they get to stage 4 in this business, let us assume there are up to 20 people. These 20 people every year will provide Helping Hands 1 motherless baby home for empowerment. And at that stage, at stage 4, you are qualified to collect loan from Helping Hands up to $12,000, no interest, no collateral. And then at stage 5, you can collect loan from Helping Hands up to $44,000, no interest, no collateral. I have just given you a summary of what you benefit from this. But the question is, what is the way up? How do we grow from each stage to another stage? We are not going to waste much time, but we'll give you a simple explanation of what it looks like. The first stage we are looking at is called the associate stage. Stage 1 is called the associate. It is a 2x2 matrix. Now listen carefully. When you become a member of H2I, you are now identified as an associate, and that is what you are saying here. This is you at the top. Helping Hands will give you an assignment. Your assignment is, can you tell a minimum of 2 people to become members just like you became a member? Are we listening? That is your assignment. When we say a minimum of 2 people, means you can go maximum. Your basic requirement is a minimum of 2 people required to progress on the matrix. Now, once you bring 1 person, you receive a referral bonus 20% of that person's involvement. That is, I have registered with $40, and then I brought 1 person, and this person gets registered automatically. Almost instantly, he is signing up. I am getting $8 in my account immediately. You bring the next person, the same thing happens to you. Now let's look at it together. You have registered this person, you get $8. You've registered the second person, you get $8. $8 plus $8 is equivalent to $100. Can you see that the money you spent in becoming a member is gradually coming back? $16 in Naira is 2,600 Naira. There is, in fact, this program is very nice. Once you get somebody registered, you've gotten 1,300. 1,300 can pay your transport. 1,300 can buy the chat card for you. Even in some family, 1,300 can prepare a pot of soup. Now, Biola costs me a pot of soup because I know that in most families, if they are small family, 1,300 can prepare food. Even if it is lunch for your family, that money can prepare food. Are we correct? Yes. Now look at this. You have made $16. This person here is expected to bring his 2. And this person here is expected to bring his 2. When that is done, stage 1 has ended. You that is here will enter stage 2. Are we together? So this person here is required to bring 2. This person here is required to bring 2. Stage 1 has ended. And as stage 1 has ended, you are going to the second stage. They are giving you another money we call the matrix bonus, and that is $10. So how much have you made in the matrix? You've made $16 plus $10 is equivalent to $100. Now let us assume that you are the one that brought the whole 6 people, because the business says you can go maximum. If you are bringing the whole 6 people, you are picking $8 on one person because you are the one that referred them. If you check $8 times 6 people, you are having a total of $48. And as you are leaving the matrix, they will add another $10 to you, making $58. Now I have a question to ask here, and we shall answer the question so that you can understand what we mean. This is me, not so. How many people am I required to bring? This person is required to bring how many people? This person is required to bring how many people? Supposing this person refused to bring anybody and this person refused to bring anybody, what happens to me? Do we understand my question? Yes. It is possible that I got this person registered and I am telling him that he is required to register another person and he refuses to do that. I'm not going to put knife on his neck. It is possible that I come to this uncle to tell him about this business. He decided that he will give me money to register him, not because he wants to do the business, but because he doesn't want us to quarrel. We are friends. Then he gives me money to register him. And I collect that money and registered him. He did not register because he wants to do what I am showing him. He registered because he doesn't want me to keep disturbing him. I have registered somebody, have I not? No. But have I registered anybody? No. It is possible that you get somebody registered, that person is not doing anything. What happens to the person at the top? This is the stage where Helping Hands has done something that agrees with my heart. They operate what we call a spillover and a spill under system. The spillover and a spill under is designed in such a way that the laziness of the people you brought cannot hinder your progress. Are we together? Now let us look at what spillover is. Spillover means any extra activity that is coming from me or coming from those above me will be reflecting on my matrix. It will be helping my people. Now let us describe it better so that we can understand. Please, Uncle, 2 of you come. Give me my $8, 1,300 for bringing this uncle. Uncle, come, stand here. Now I'm also expected to bring the second person. Then I have brought this uncle. They are giving me another $8 for bringing this uncle, 1,300. Okay? So this is the 2 of them, and this is the way we are standing. Okay? He is there, this one is here. That is exactly what we are seeing on that board. Are we together? Now, Helping Hand says, supposing I have the ability of bringing an extra person, it will go as spillover. How? Capon, please. You are the Capon. Welcome, sir. Please. Let's come this way, sir. Now I have brought this uncle as the top person. Helping Hand says they will give me my 20%, my $8 for bringing this person. However, this person cannot stand behind me because I have done my job. Are we together? Do you know what will happen? Now they have paid me my 1,300. Please go and stand up. They will go and throw it as a spillover to this uncle. Now, how many people is this person required now to bring? his matrix, he only needs one person. Are we together? Do you understand what spillover means now? Thank you very much. Thank you. There. Thank you. I bet people are clap for me now. A spillover. Do we understand that? The spillover is actually designed so that the laziness of those you brought cannot hinder your progress. There's also what we call a spill under. A spill under is a little bit complex, but it's also very beautiful. Very, very wonderful. Helping Hands applies these two systems to make you progress on the reward board. Now, let us describe spill under somehow. Okay? Yesterday at Ikeja, the Gabon gave me another insight to what spillover is all about. Now look at this. This is me, and I have brought one person. I will